Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, September 25th, 2017. It's going to be another summer-like day out there, with temperatures rising into the upper 70s to lower 80s along the immediate coast and mid to upper 80s, possibly even a few lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley, as we have high pressure and control with clear skies and a tropical air mass in place. When we take a look at the radar, not much going on throughout the region with dry conditions. But when we take a look at the infrared satellite picture, you can kind of see what exactly is setting up the whole pattern here. We have high pressure that is dominating much of the eastern two-thirds of the nation. We have Hurricane Maria, which is weakening and may actually become a tropical storm by the time we get to this afternoon, approaching the North Carolina coast. And then we have a very powerful cold front that is moving through the plains, producing some very heavy rainfall over southern Texas over the next couple of days. As much as 10 inches of rain is possible in some locations. Meanwhile, this cold front will march and reach our neck of the woods by the time we get to Wednesday night to Thursday morning. And with it, an end to this very tropical air mass that has been in place. This cold front is also going to force Maria to basically glance a portion of the North Carolina coast, right around the Outer Banks, with tropical storm force winds, and then get kicked right out. In fact, it never really makes landfall. It comes pretty close and then gets kicked right out in the Atlantic, with no impacts on our region aside from an enhanced surf, some beach erosion, and of course a very strong riptide. So be very careful in those waters. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, look for scattered cloud cover with temperatures rising into the upper 70s to lower 80s along the immediate coast, mid to upper 80s everywhere else. A few lower 90s are possible in your urban areas. For tonight, watch out for the development of fog and a few isolated showers and drizzle right along the coast. Otherwise, scattered cloud cover is expected with low temperatures in the mid-60s. Now, the low clouds and the drizzle is due to all the moisture that's in the atmosphere just kind of hanging around with not much of a wind except for a weak easterly wind around 5 to 10 miles per hour. So this setup basically leads to the development of fog and drizzle and just a raw weather pattern for the morning hours. In the afternoon, still a threat for a few isolated showers, but for the most part, scattered to broken cloud cover. With more cloud cover, it's going to be a bit cooler, with highs in the mid-70s on Long Island, upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, and lower to mid-80s in the Delaware River Valley. For Wednesday, look for a threat for widely scattered to isolated showers. Hurricane Maria will be off the coast, possibly a tropical storm at this point. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s for lows, mid 70s on Long Island, and upper 70s to lower 80s for the rest of the region. On Thursday, look for the cold front to push off the coast. Now, there could be a few isolated showers in the morning, but for the most part, we're looking at clearing skies by the time we get to the afternoon. Temperatures will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows as the cold front is moving through, but then mid to upper 70s along the coast and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley for highs. On Friday, much cooler air builds in. High pressure is generally in control. Can't rely on an isolated shower with a passing trough. Other than that, look for lows in the mid to upper 50s, highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s. On Saturday, you're going to have high pressure and complete control with clear skies, very low humidity. We're talking about lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, mid-50s along the coast, high temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. On Sunday, same scenario, high pressure and control with clear skies, lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the interior, lower to mid-50s along the coast, and mid to upper 60s for highs throughout the region. And on Monday, high pressure will start to leave the region with scattered cloud cover expected, but still pretty cool out there. Lows in the lower to mid-50s, upper 40s are still possible over the northern interior, highs in the mid to upper 60s throughout the region. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.